Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news. Paying the ransom after a ransomware attack does not assure data recovery, and rather it encourages the cyber criminals to continue attacking organizations with ransomware. The DHS will engage in a series of 60-day cyber sprints, and the first sprint will address ransomware, which poses a national security threat. A massive phishing campaign impersonating Mackenzie Bezos Scott Grant Foundation assured financial benefits to recipients in exchange for a processing fee. This ransomware issue is continuing nonstop. The hackers are not letting up, and neither should you to protect yourselves. You can visit us online at our website, www.larrycomputerguy.com. Reach out today and we'd be happy to assist you.